Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Benjamin. Now, if you've ever wondered how to get these cinematic, buttery, smooth kind of videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to get them with this amazing rig here. This is the Zhiyun Weebless. It's a motorized gimbal, and this is going to help you get those amazing shots. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Welcome back to the channel, and today I have something special for you. In the previous episodes we've mostly been doing photography stuff, but we have a little blend today. It's more for filmmakers, for videographers, and people who just want to do videos. So like I said before, this is the Zhiyun Weebless. This is a cheap gimbal. Here in Uganda it costs about 1.5 million shillings. I think you can convert to dollars then, but it's one of the most loved gimbals by many filmmakers here in Uganda, in Kampala. And if you've not got yourself one, I would recommend for you to get this thing. Its build quality is pretty good. Now, I'm not a very good tech person, like I won't get too much into the physics, but just to give you an oversight, this is a 3-axis gimbal, and basically what it does, it stabilizes your camera. Instead of shooting handheld, you get to shoot you put your camera on this gimbal and it will stabilize your camera so that you can get those smooth cinematic kind of videos. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how I actually set up this gimbal, and just show you a few settings that I use, and then we'll go and shoot, because you need to see how exactly it works. Okay, so how you tell that it's probably balanced is if when you turn it anyway, it will stay there. Okay guys, so this is our gimbal. It has been set. It's not very heavy. It also depends on the weight of your camera. But it feels nice and light, and it's well balanced. So we are ready to shoot, and let's go shoot something. Okay guys, so we are just doing a quick test on how this gimbal works, and let's go practical and see. Yes. do a close shot. You hold your phone. Yeah, so guys, this is a way you can actually use this gimbal. You will get amazing shots when you're walking. This really helps you when you're trying to stabilize shots, especially movement. Yeah, it gives you those buttery smooth kind of shots. Yeah, this is Joel on the camera. He's doing the behind the scenes, and this is Vikesi. Yeah, she's our model for the day. Yeah, she's doing a great job. So guys, as you can see, I'm shooting this and it is pretty smooth. We'll compare this. Now there's also different ways you can this gimbal has a lot to learn. I know I think I'll do another video that goes in depth on how you can actually shoot with this gimbal. I will show you the different modes, the settings it has, because it has amazing settings that we need to learn. So I'll do another video that goes in depth on how we can actually shoot with this. But yeah, for today I want to end here. Yeah, if you have any questions concerning this gimbal, I encourage you to ask any questions. Feel free. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, like it, and if you're new to the channel also, you can subscribe. I'll be bringing you guys more and more of this kind of content. So yeah, thank you again, and see you next time.